Hey guys, what is up? I am so excited for the month of July because I'm going to be your host. I know, it's a joke, it's my channel. We are going to be focusing this month of July on bike shorts and vibrant colors. I just love the electric colors and I'm so excited because everywhere you look, that's what we're seeing, right? So I thought, why not do a fun clothing haul from all of our favorite places? So for the month of July, I will be doing bike shorts from Walmart, Target, and Shein. I did also order some not bike shorts, but bike pants. Is that a word? Bike pants, athletic wear, from the Victoria's Secret semi-annual sale. So I kind of want to compare all of these for you guys so we can get an idea of what we like, what we don't like. Are they comparable? Are they cheaper? Can this work? Those type of things. So I do plan on doing that. So I hope that you are interested in all of these things. I will also have other outfits, not just bike shorts, but the majority will be bike shorts. They're so comfortable, they're easy to pair, and they hold in our gut. So yeah, if you are interested in all of that, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so the first outfit that I want to share with you is this gorgeous top that I am wearing now. And these are an honorable mention from my previous Walmart hauls. These are the No Boundaries Curvy Mom Jeans. And you guys already know that I love the heck out of these. I bought them in every color, every wash available in my size. They were only $9.98. So I just wanted to remind you guys to always take a look because they are amazing. They are great. They have the pockets in the right place to make the booty look good, not elongated, if you know what I mean. Now this top I'm wearing is from Sofia Vergara, if I'm saying her last name right. Now this shirt was $16, however the tag does say that it was $20. This is in a size large and it's very stretchy and spandexy. It is the, half shoulder, I don't know what you call it, but I am completely in love with it. It is so comfortable, and I mean, can we just take a minute for this right here? Like, I thought it was very fitting for our bike shorts series because of how stretchy and flexible that this is, and it pairs so well with just a pair of jeans, probably with bike shorts as well. It just holds in all the right spots. And then I paired them with some Shein tennis shoes that I've had for a while. I really want to show you guys these. They're very glam and extra. Look at that. I think these shoes were only like $20, and yeah, so you could dress it up, dress it down. You could even put a cute little belt and some jewelry and just have a go. Like, it would just be a thing. It'd be beautiful. All right, so now the first outfit I want to share with you. So some of these are from online because my Walmart was out of quite a bit of things, so I will let you know which items are from the online store, and I will also link everything that I can find down below as always. So the first thing is I did find these beautiful colorful, like I said, this is going to be a colorful haul, folks, from No Boundaries. These are only $5.98, and they are that soft, just their super soft material. And then I found this was an online shirt. Now it's one that hangs off of the shoulder. So we will go ahead and try these two together, and I will pair them with some sandals or tennis shoes as well. Here is the next pair with those beautiful, vibrant yellow and oranges with a white top. Now, when you pair it like this, I feel like it doesn't seem so bright. It sort of tones it down just a little bit. So if you have a problem with color like that, you can always just put a black or a white shirt to tone them down. But these are super soft, like I was saying. This is the online shirt that I got. I do believe this shirt was like $9.99 or something like that. So this is not a brand that I recognize, and I did notice on Walmart.com they sell a lot of brands that they don't have in the store, but that they do, I guess, partner with. Shipping was still free for these items, so keep that in mind, and I will link this down below. This is a size large, and it is supposed to hang over the shoulder a little bit, and I really like the way that it hangs because it's not too much. You could pull it down a little bit more, and then here is the other side. You can wear it like this, a little bit like that, and it seems pretty fine, like it's gonna hold up and all of those things, but it is just super comfortable and relaxing. You can totally do all of the things with your kids, all of your chores, all of that without feeling like your stuff's gonna fall out. Sometimes there's outfits that I won't personally wear when I'm with my kids because, yeah, like I don't want to, I don't want some cleavage to fall out, or, we don't want any mishaps. So I just paired that with these Guess shoes. If you watched my glam room tour, you'll know that Guess is one of my favorite brands, and Ross sells so many variations of the Guess shoes, and these ones are just a plain white one. Yeah, they're kind of dirty because I do use them, for about $30 at Ross, TJ Maxx, all of the places. Okay, so now the next outfit I want to share with you guys are these really pretty, fun tie-dye jean shorts. These are from the brand, they're Levi Strauss. I don't know if I'm saying that right. These are in a size 15 because I always forget to do this, you guys, and I'm so sorry. So my measurements are that I am exactly 5 feet tall. I am 32 on the waist. I am a 36 on top. I wear a large and extra large on both the top and bottom, and usually a size 14 in pants or bottoms. So now that we finally got that out of the way, these were 32, so I did choose a size 15 in these. And then this is like it's called Watermelon Red, and I love this t-shirt. This t-shirt is only like, I think it's $3.96 at Walmart. These are the ones that are folded and you don't get a tag on them, so I do apologize for that. I believe they're the No Boundaries brand. However, they were sold out in my size, so online it was this Active Basic brand. So I will also link that down below, but just keep in mind that you can find this in the No Boundaries if they have your size. So we will go ahead and take a look at this outfit. Here is that watermelon red top with the tie-dye shorts. It is so comfortable, you guys. It is so cute, and it is like this shirt is like really doing something for covering this area here, which I like. Here are the back of the shorts, super cute. They are like a stretchy material, and I like that. They have the distressed detail here, or the fringing at the bottom, I guess is what you would call it. So this outfit is super cute and fun. It also kind of has the bright top with the less colorful bottoms, which I think also even that out. And I paired them with these tennis shoes that I received from a Shein haul. These are like my favorite tennis shoes right now. They are so comfortable, so easy to wash. You'll have to just check out all of my hauls so you know all of the things that I'm talking about. Anyway, the next outfit is a really super fun one for me. Now, I have been looking for these shorts for a good minute, for a good while. They were out of my size. These are still a little bit big on me. They're an extra large, and they are from No Boundaries for $5.98. But I just loved this color. They are the super soft material. And then we also have the super soft tank top. And this is in a size large. And I just love this outfit together. Not that I'd actually wear it somewhere, but I do really like this and wanted to give it a try as a whole. So let's check that out. So here is that outfit in full effect. It's a really fun outfit, a really fun color. Definitely nice if you're going for a hike. Now, I don't actually exercise. I know. I just don't. It's never been my thing. I can't do it. It's not my journey, okay? I just can't. So anyway, super cute. Again, oh, I love this material. And it's the same super soft on the bottom as it is on the top. So it feels really nice, lightweight, comfortable. Here is the back and what it does for the bootay. I love this, and like I was saying, these are a little bit big still, but they're comfortable. They're very comfortable. Now you can always do, like I said, you can tone it down with a black top or a white top. They have so many different colors of this tank top in the super soft, or even the ribbed material. I will link them down below. So yeah, the next outfit is going to be this beautiful pink tie-dye shirt, and it has this really cute little detail down here that you can you know, pull it tighter or what have you. And I did actually buy some athletic shorts. So now these are the real deal. They're not the they're not the leggings, the legging bikings. These are real bike shorts from the brand, from this brand here, and they are $9.96. They are a darker pink than what we have here. So I thought pairing these two together would be a really cute, pretty idea. And then, oh, I forgot, I'm just wearing these same shoes for this outfit. Again, I feel like I do work out. I feel like you could totally see me with a shake, you know, trailing or hiking, whatever. All right, you guys, here is this outfit. I don't actually care for this little detail here like I thought. I think I'm just gonna let it be a little looser, and then it looks very cute. This is also, so this one is similar to the super soft. It's I want to say it seems like a little bit more nylon material, but it still has that super softness to it. And the cool thing about so real biker shorts actually do suck in all of this area here, which I think, you know, most people probably already know, but I thought I would mention that. So these ones definitely hold in everything nicer as opposed to the legging type bike shorts. They are still really comfortable. They are, I do believe they have like something, the material is made so that the sweat doesn't absorb the same way that it would in the leggings, which is a nice feature. These have pockets. I did forget to mention the last pair of shorts also had pockets. It looks like these are on both sides, so that's a very nice thing to have when you really are, you know, exercising. So the next outfit that I have is a black pair of these shorts, and I'm going to pair them with two different shirts. We have the beautiful electric pink neon color and the electric blue color as well. So here we are with the black bike shorts from the same brand as the other, also same price, the $9.96. And I put that with this beautiful pink, oh, my hair is still in my shirt. Look at how cute this is. Like, it totally tones this down so it's not so bright. I love that about these because for me, I love the bright colors, but I also don't want all eyes on me when I'm out, and that's what that kind of makes me feel like. So this is also my journey in getting comfortable with the things that I wear because I am so self-conscious. I know you guys know that from watching my other videos, but this is a good way to do that. And again, these have the pockets on both sides. The shirt is the super soft material. Again, for $3.96, they have them in an array of different colors and sizes, so you can always do that. I believe this is a $5 shirt. Yes, $5 shirt, and this was in a size large. The shorts are also in a size large. Yes, size large, which is a 12 to 14, just to let you know. All right, the next color is going to be this beautiful blue color. This is another favorite of mine right now. It is so pretty, and it is also in the same material. It is the same shirt, just the different color. It is also $5. Okay. Here is the electric blue color. I don't know if that's the name of it. That's just what I want to call it because it is so pretty and electrifying. Like, that's what it means to me. And I forgot, I'm wearing them with my pink Vans. Now, Walmart has a pair of black shoes that look very similar or identical to the Vans. Make sure you check those out. I'm going to try and put a picture here and also link them down below because I think they would go really good with all of these outfits as well. And they have really good quality nowadays. Walmart is so different, and I'm here for all of it. So yeah, here is that super soft material again. I just love the way that we can dress up these fun colors and still be comfortable. So all right, you guys, that is it for the first haul. Now, if you could just see this room, it is a disaster with beautiful clothing. From yeah, all of the things that I'm getting ready to show you. I am going to get ready to do a part 2 for you guys, but I'm going to space that out just a little bit so that you have time to look up these items and get an idea about them. But let me know what you thought about this haul and the bike shorts. Are you here for the bike shorts? Is this a thing? I'm totally all about it. They're so comfortable, and they just, the way that we can style them nowadays is just, I just love it. All right, thank you guys, and make sure to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, and we will see you in our next haul. Bye.